All right, I'm back with another HomeDepot.com tool deals of the day. It is today only, Thursday, August 27th, 2026. So if you're watching this video after that date, unfortunately, these deals are no longer in effect. I will have an affiliate link down in the description below, as well as a pinned comment that'll take you right to the daily deals page right here on HomeDepot.com. And these deals are only online. I will make a small commission on any purchases you do make at the website, and I really do appreciate that support. The best thing is it won't cost you any more money. And again, thank you to everyone who does use the link. I really do appreciate it. Now, today was a little deceiving because they have it starting off with some appliances. So you have to scroll down kind of far in order to get to the tools section. And they do have some good ones here from Milwaukee, as well as even DeWalt and Ryobi. So here we go. Power tool kits. So starting off is on the M12 Milwaukee, the two tool combo kit with that hammer drill and impact driver with the two regular batteries. And again, with that 5 amp hour high output battery for $224, saving $135. That's 38% off. That's an excellent deal. I think they actually raised the kit price of the two tool combo kit by itself. So at $224 is an excellent price to also get that 5 amp hour high output battery. And I know some of you missed out on the stubby deal on the M12 3/8 inch one. They brought back a good deal today on the 3/8 with that 5 amp hour high output battery for $206, saving $143. That's 41% off. And at the time of recording, they do have 3,900 available, so they should have ample supply throughout the day. It's an excellent deal. This is like a little powerhouse of a tool. I have one and it's excellent. All right, the next option is on M18. It is the 6.5 inch circular saw. It is brushless, and they have that with a 5 amp hour battery for the 179, saving $210, 54% off. Another good deal. And today they have the track saw as a tool only. They do have that paired with a 6 amp hour high output battery for $359, saving $260, 42% off. That is a good deal because I think the track saw alone is higher priced than that. So it's an excellent deal to get the battery with that. It does not have any tracks though, just so you know. All right, now we'll get into some Ryobi options. They have the hybrid fan with the oscillating multi-tool with two 2 amp hour batteries and the charger for $124, saving $227, 65% off. That's going to be a good deal versus this next one, where it is a hybrid fan with the two batteries and charger for 107. So for an extra $17, you can get the oscillating tool and the same batteries. So it's an excellent deal over on this one. All right, the next option is going to be on the Ryobi 18-volt 3/8 drill driver kit with a bit kit. Looks like it has some drill bits, and they have that with a 2 amp hour battery and the charger for $35.97. Saving almost $26, 42% off on that one. That is a decent deal on that one because I think they had it priced a little bit higher before, around $40. So a little bit more savings here today. Next option is for $120 on the Ryobi 18 volt with a hybrid fan and the angle grinder with the two 2 amp hour batteries for the 120, saving $212. 64% off. Another good deal. And now we'll get into some DeWalt options. They have the impact driver with the circular saw for $219. It does come with one 5 amp hour battery with that and the charger in the bag, saving $159. That's 42% off. And this is a good value on the DeWalt 20 volt XR of the 8 amp hour battery, as well as a 4 amp hour one and that fast charger for $260, saving $69. That is 21% off. It is a good value for those batteries as well as a fast charger. Then they have the Atomic series of the hammer drill and impact driver with two 2 amp hour batteries, the charger in the bag for $192, saving $87. That's 31% off. Then they have the Atomic series of the impact driver by itself, tool only for $102, saving almost $23. That's 18% off. And they have another option with the two tool M12 tool kit with the hammer drill and impact driver. They have it with the 5 amp hour battery again, but they also have that bit kit with some drill bits and other bits for the 242, saving $143. That's 37% off. Then they have the 1/2 inch drive of the Milwaukee metric set. It's a 14-piece set of the impact rated sockets for $63, saving almost $42. That's 40% off. Then they have the M18 of the oscillating multi-tool, the fuel model with a 5 amp hour battery for $206, saving $203. That's 50% off. Another excellent deal today on that one. Then they have the Big Hog carbide hole saw kit, the 9-piece set with the pack out case for $116, saving almost $124. 52% off. Now back to some Ryobi options. They have the 18 volt, so it is the cordless, brushless, 8 1/4 inch compact portable job site table saw. It is tool only for the $234, saving $105. That's 31% off. That is a good deal on that table saw. Then they have the Ryobi 18 volt of the 10-inch variable speed random orbit buffer with a 2 amp hour battery for $50, saving $99. That's 66% off. It's an excellent deal. Then they have the Ryobi HP version of the impact driver as well as a circular saw with 2 batteries, the charger, and that bag for $180, saving $78. 30% off. Then they have the Ryobi HP of the drill driver with the one-handed recip saw, also with 2 batteries in the charger for $178, saving $80. That's 31% off. Some decent deals from Ryobi. Back to Milwaukee now. So they have the M12, a copper tube cutter with a high output battery for $134, saving $105. That's 44% off. Then they have the 3/8 right angle impact wrench with a 5 amp hour battery for $206, saving $143. That's 41% off. That's another good deal. And they have 2 sets of the bit kits, so they are the same for $58, saving almost 41% off. Now another M18 option, they have the brushless cordless compact bandsaw with a 5 amp hour battery for the $296, saving $203. That's 41% off. Now back to some DeWalt options. They do have the drill driver. That is a brushless one with a 2 amp hour battery and the charger for $106, saving almost $20. That's 16% off. Not so much of a great deal. And it's not a hammer drill, but this is decent savings on the 1/2-inch impact wrench with the hog ring. They have that with a 4 amp hour battery, the charger in the bag for the $219, saving $110. That's 33% off. That's an excellent deal. Then they have the 20 volt 7/4 inch sliding miter saw with the 4 amp hour battery and the charger for $319, saving $180. That's 36% off. That is a good deal here today on that one because the saw by itself is priced around $369. So to get that 4 amp hour battery and the charger is a good deal. And the saw is pretty decent. I do have this one. I used it to build a deck that did not have power nearby. So it did come in handy being cordless like that. And it's a pretty capable saw for being a 7/4 inch one. Next DeWalt option is on the 4-tool combo kit with a 4 amp hour battery and a 2 amp hour one for $359, saving only $11. That's 3% off. So why do they bother doing a deal on it? Which I'd recommend passing on anyways, because these are brushed tools. And that looks like that's going to be it for the Home Depot tool deals of the day. Now, don't forget, they are doing a pro special buy of the week this week that I covered on Monday. So if you did happen to miss that video, I'll just quickly go over there, and I'll also include a link to these deals in this video as far as the description and pinned comment in case you miss out on that video. But they do have some decent deals this week for Milwaukee as well as Rigid and DeWalt and Ryobi, so be sure to check that out if you missed out. I'll also put a link up above to that Pro Deals of the Week video in case you did miss it, and check it out. So definitely some good ones to consider, and this is what's left as I'm scrolling through them. So they have many options available and many more options compared to today's deals. So definitely check it out. You can scroll on down past the tool storage section because they do have other tools available. Just keep scrolling on past the shelves and they have other tools as well. So definitely some decent deals this week at Home Depot. And if you did get any value from this video, I really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Crasher out.